papi ahí.
Papi.
¿Quieren ver algo? Quiero comer, pero el caracrica de Gabo no me quiere ir a comprar.
Cabrón, pues ¿qué agua quieres? Dasani.
Sí, lo que sea, que vean. Mira, esa de allá atrás que está caliente y todo, me la puedes comprar, la bien grande.
Perdona.
Yes. Yeah. Dios mío, es que este Gabriel en verdad es más caracrica. Buen provecho, Albi.
Gracias.
¿Qué pasa?
I didn't want this shit.
Bro, it's fucking
Is it
good.
good? It's not that easy though.
Buen provecho, Bárbara.
Gracias, Chris. You want a little piece?
No, estoy bien.
It's already 8 tacos.
Bite my dad was doing taco? Bobby, go on.
You want a bite of it?
I want to bite of you, bro.
Is it as spicy as you think it is?
I'm gonna let it go and bite.
Let it marinate a little bit.
Oh, first bite, you go.
Let me see what's happening over here.
Barbacoa. No tan mal, ¿eh?
Oh, fuck. This was spicy. Jeez.
Bueno, that's taco.
Laredo tacos.
Se va con agua.
Para que sepas.
Take that bite. Go in Bella, go get another $6 deal. You get one taco, I get one taco, or what?
I don't know if I'll eat both of mine.
Let's go.
I won't eat mine.
You're a big dog. You gotta eat it all.
Dale, vamos. Bro, she don't eat hers.
I'm not gonna eat mine.
What you got there, Chief?
Ice cream sandwich, napolitano.
Nice.
We're on our way to Big Bend, and it's taken quite a while, right, Ricky?
Oh, fuck yeah.
It's taken like 6-7 hours. We stopped at Walmart. Dave was cleaning the car right now, and then we're like just outside the park, so almost there.
Left the tongue stain, let my what hang, falling short breath, thought my lungs cave.
We just got to the campsite. We're staying in Los Chisos Basin. It's sick because there's like big mountains here on this side, big mountains on that side. Yeah, I've only stayed here when I've stayed at Big Bend, and at nighttime it's insanely sick. But now we're about to start setting up the tent, and then I think the plan is after we set up the tent to go on the window trail hike.
We're gonna set up the tent right here on the grassy side. Cause look at our side. Fuck that. I'm gonna go over there.
This is a team effort.
I'm a nuisance, and these blueprints prove right like Buddhists. Can't do my work right by those fences. Hands too close to where my pants is. Don't follow me, alright, and please don't bother me tonight. Hey, she's on one, I'm dripping, that's fucked up. I
We did we're doing the Chisos Basin Lodge trail loop, I think. It's like 1.5 miles round trip. Pretty neat. It's a break time right now.
Water break.
No, not araña, actually.
Stay hydrated.
Found a spider?
No, that's not a spider.
Oh, what are those? Yeah, I thought it was, no? Those are like stink bugs.
Stink bugs, assassin bugs. Este tiene un proboscis.
A what?
Tubito.
Ah. Dude, the prickly pears are so cool. I never had one, but I would imagine they taste good. Nah, because you're gonna fucking barehanded, it's gonna hurt yourself.
she's on one, I'm dripping, that's fucked up. I lost some.
I think I'm becoming obsessed with prickly pear cactus. Every prickly pear I see, I want to take a picture of it. They're so cool. I don't know if I've had the fruit itself though, like straight up before.
Look at them. Look how cool.
I'm also trying these Saucony Peregrine 11s trail running shoes. I got them for Banff, but figured I'd take them here to the Big Bend trip, try them out, and then take them to Banff for the hikes there. And so far, I mean, it's a good shoe. I like it. Not really running in them, but doing the job. My little ducklings all on the line. Yeah. Yeah. The sun's setting, so you can see like different layers of like how far back everything is.
Exacto.
It's so sick.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
It's mío.
Dude, that's cool.
Look, shiny.
Shiny. It's not a
No, it's not
Pokemon.
green.
It's not a Pokemon.
Pokemon, bro.
It's not green.
It's actually, there's not a grasshopper Pokemon, huh?
More prickly pears.
Actually,
Left the tongue stain, let my what hang. Falling short breath, thought my lungs cave. I'm a nuisance, and these blueprints prove right like Buddhist.
Checking the sunset out.
Like 5 minutes.
And Christian.
Can I hold it?
I'm not being hard. Okay.
Okay, tilt it.
Let me see what you got, King.
Yeah, it's not done.
That's still super cool, man.
Show the thing after. Ooh, fire.
Just got to the car. We're about to go to the campsite. About to cook some meals. Maybe eat some s'mores. And then go stargazing. A little hot for you, Gabriel? Sorry.
Oh, my bad.
Not you, no, Barbara. Why is it?
We did it at the same time.
whatever.
Poema.
Ese me cayó un cantito, posh.
Poe pollo.
Ahí está.
Eat up, King.
Tina, are you ready?
Eat up, King.
No, papi, I will, baby. Sabe, bellaco. Esto no hace
You
nada.
have your phone, right? On you?
It's in my pocket.
Okay.
Poco caliente. Can't really see me, but just had some beef stroganoff from the Jet Boil. It's sick. Now we're gonna stargaze and go to bed. So peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want feast, get the animal fries. Put her on her back like Charles Dupont. I get choked out for the 100th time. Daniel Rick on the track, I swear the baddest